Losing a significant amount of weight in just 10 days can be challenging and may not be sustainable in the long run. However, here are some tips that can help you lose some weight in a healthy way. Cut down on calories. You need to create a calorie deficit to lose weight. This means consuming fewer calories than you burn. You can reduce your calorie intake by cutting down on high-calorie foods like sugary drinks, processed snacks, and fast food. Increase physical activity. Exercise can help you burn calories and increase your metabolic rate. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise daily, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Eat more protein. Protein helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Include protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, lean meat, eggs, and legumes in your meals. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. It's important to note that losing a significant amount of weight in just 10 days may not be healthy or sustainable. It's better to aim for slow, steady weight loss over a longer period of time. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program.